You taking video or camera?
Video.
Okay, good. You see how Stella loves it?
Hi,
Yummy.
Stella. You're such a big girl.
Such a big girl. She loves carrots. This is our first time ever having carrots. Yum. Mmm. Rico. Mmm. Faster,
Getting
faster.
excited.
Where are you looking? Does that feel nice on your gums, Delbo? Say, it's a oatmeal and carrot blend. I didn't even make my silly face yet. We didn't even get that on camera yet. Maybe that's the one with super tail. Hi. You know the camera's watching, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You know where to look. Are they tart? Are carrots very tart? Are carrots very tart?
More, Mommy, more.
Yeah.
Knock it off.
More? I have to put some more cereal in here. Let's just give this to you meanwhile. Those are just plain carrots. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Oh shoot. That would have been so bad.
Oh, shoot.
It's filled?
Knock the cover over onto the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Nice goatee.
Daddy, want to feed some?
Sure.
It's Daddy's turn. Let's clean up. Let's give him a clean shot. Oh no, we didn't give him a clean shot. Your turn, Daddy. Yummy! It's so delicious. It's a little bit a lot. Mmm.
It's a little bit none of your business.
That's like. Ay, ay, ay. Look how much Delbel ate. There's so little left of her first carrot meal.
It's so much more fun when I do it.
You're such a good eater, Delbel. There we go. I think she really likes carrots.
She really likes carrots.
More than sweet potatoes, right?
Yeah. No weird faces here.
No weird those are. I kind of wish you'd make the weird faces just for the camera, but
She won't give her sweet potatoes later.
seriously. You love carrots. Oh my gosh. Just sprayed everywhere, silly. It's business. There's no smiles here. It's all business. Maybe you're even ready for the 4 jar soon. Are you okay?
Some more.
A little bit. You looking for more food still, Belle? Should I give her more? I don't
It's a
want her
good
to
snack.
barf.
It's a good snack.
Okay. Delicious! You're such a good girl.
Last half spoon.
Mmm.
Here. And hold it.
Yeah, let me clean your face. So that's so nice on your gums here.